We ask you to please fasten the safety strap around your child's room. Please fasten the safety strap around the child's waist if their feet do not reach the top of the stirrups. Thank you. And enjoy your ride around the kingdom. Huzzah!
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Oh, and if you have them, chill them. You're the watcher. And if you're traveling with kids, be sure to watch her. I'll see you under the wishing star.
Hola, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, en viaje seguro, por favor, permanezcan sentados. No vayan a tocar las manos o los brazos.
Thank you.
Find a shop and lots of soda pop. Hi, diddly ding. Actors like for me. Lots of soda pop. Hi, diddly ding.
To me, you ought to belong.
Watch out! Oh no! You're going the wrong way!
Now, you blokes won't see easy on. And then fight.
I want to go home. I want to go home.
Quick, this way!
Don't leave yet.
Hey, look out for Monstro! Pinocchio! You're on your way now.